This is my vacuum, Dusty the Helix. I just cleaned it for whatever reason. Legends, the vacuum's broken. Not to worry, I got the part. Let's fix it. Like and subscribe. Don't forget. Legends. First thing we want to do is make sure we unplug the vacuum so we don't get shocked and don't accidentally turn it on and hurt ourselves or some kind of catastrophic mess we don't want to happen. So pull the plug. No power. No mas. Smell good. Part number 2038075. Description: lever release. Made in China. That's what it looks like in the bag. Unboxing. Unbagging. Ta-da. Jeez, I wheeze. Ta-da! Thank goodness I didn't break it again. Phew! So here's the spring lever part, I reckon. So now we gotta get the other one out. Alright, so my vacuum is a Bissel Helix. Yours may or may not be. But as long as it has these lever apparatus here, it's pretty universal. Gave you the part number already. The model number of my vacuum, if you care, is 1240-R. There's that. Okay. Not critical. Whatever. Almost looks like this just slides in there and then clips down. So if I spread that out a little bit, just pull up on that, it might pop out. So let's try that. Got two small screwdrivers here. Boom. Lots of light. Just for you guys. Okay. So, see it flopping around in there? There's the pins on the side. That all locks it in. Boom. And over here. So, I'm just going to just like that. And I should just be able to pop that sucker out of there. I'm just squeezing these together. Not too much, but there it is. Nice. And then just take a new one here. Bam. Flip this sucker over. Voila. And then should be just as simple as dropping it right down in. That way, right? Bam. Does it stand up on its own? Yes! Legends, thanks for watching. Fix the vacuum. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay legendary. Peace out. Appreciate y'all. Bye. Oh. Bissel Helix says bye too. That's all. Help y'all. Goodbye. Make it a little more presentable here. I can wipe me down like a boozy song. Alright, it's freaking vacuum. Why am I doing this? Who cares? See, I'm still going. The whole freaking thing, I guess. Freaking weird. Freaking weird. There's no point to me doing this other than presentable factor abilities. Whatever that means, if that's even a phrase. You guys know what I mean. Not that you care. I don't even know why I care. It's a vacuum. That's what it does. It does dust things. This is my vacuum, Dusty the Helix. I just cleaned it for whatever reason. We got down in the orifices. Am I OCD enough? I think so. But now my vacuum's gonna glow. Don't you know? This is my show. Thanks to YouTube. Where were we? Here's the bottom. Old cat hair. Thanks, Felix. Appreciate it, buddy. My guy.